Hey, hey, what's your name?
Andy.
Andy? How old are you, Andy?
I am 7 years old.
Oh, what's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is sport.
What is that?
Soccer.
Soccer or basketball?
Basketball.
Oh, for real? That's cool. How old are you?
7.
7?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're going to school already, huh?
Yeah.
What school?
School means that you have fun at your school. Maybe?
Yeah, but what school? What's your school called?
Oh, my school is called elementary school.
Oh, awesome. You have a lot of friends there?
Yeah.
What's your teacher's name?
Uh, Cinnamon roll.
Oh, okay. Well, Andy, right?
Yeah, my name's Andy.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Andy.
Thank you.